Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Taste. Today I am going to show you how to store the green peas we get during the winter season. These peas I have separated the tender ones and the big ones. I am going to store these big ones. These are the green peas I had stored last year. You can see they are still green and nice. Now I am going to show you the way to store them. In a vessel I have taken water and kept it to boil. I have added 2 spoons of sugar to it, and in another vessel I have taken chilled water. Once the water starts boiling, we will add the green peas to it and stir them. We are going to blanch these green peas for about 2 minutes only. You can see that the peas have started coming to the surface. All the peas will come to the surface within 2 minutes. Once all the peas come to the surface of it, we will remove all the peas and immediately put it into the chilled water. We are putting it into chilled water so that the cooking process stops. After 2 minutes, we will remove all the peas into a wet plate, and then we will spread these peas onto a cloth for about 3 to 4 hours. You can see after 3 to 4 hours the peas have got quite dried, and now I will take such Ziploc bags and I will fill the peas inside. I will fill the peas in small batches so that it is easier for us to use it as and when required. This way I will prepare all the bags. You can see that the bags are ready. Now I will take a container and place all these bags into it and close it airtight. And this I will store in the refrigerator for the whole year round, and I will use it as and when required. I am sure you all like the recipe how to store it, and please do subscribe to my channel.